Hello and welcome to the Walking Talking Topic on Percentages, question number 4 with me, Mr. Barton. The financial press has just published the following headline. Percosi Limited annual profit of 4,760,000, not too bad, but that's down 13% from last year. What was the profit made by the company last year? Well, again, if you set this out like I've been talking about these last two questions, I think you're going to be okay. So I'm going to put here last year, this year. Alright, what was the profit last year? Well, if we knew that, it wouldn't be an hard question, because that's what we're trying to find out. What was the profit this year? 4,760,000. What do we know? Well, the only thing we know is that the profit, we don't know what it was last year, but we know that it's down 13%. So we know it's been decreased by 13% to get to this year. How do you decrease something by 13%? Well, if you take 13% off something, you're left with 87%. So to take 13% off, you times by 0.87. So how do we get back to figure out what it was last year? Well, we do the inverse. We divide by 0.87. So let's get it. 4,760,000. I've got to make sure I've got the right number of noughts in there. I think I'm all right. Divided by 0.87. Press equals, and I reckon this is coming out as flipping heck 5,471,264.38. What's the question answer? What's the question asked for? Give your answer to the nearest £10,000. So where's my 10,000? Well, that's me million. That's me 100,000. This is me £10,000. Look at the number next to it. It's a 1, so I'm going to leave it. I don't need to round up. So it's going to be £5,470,000. Just be careful with those kind of questions. Again, if you're thinking, well, that's not right, that I've got a different answer. Dead easy way to check your answer. I'm claiming that that's the profit from last year. If it gets decreased by 13%, if it goes down by 13%, I should get exactly the profit from this year. So to decrease something by 13%, I times it by 0.87, and I get exactly what I should do. They're dodgy, these percentage questions, but if you set it out like that, last year, this year, or as we did in question 3, before and after, I think you're going to be all right.